Urban Science here. This is my first Android tutorial for creating an Android app. So if you want to learn how to create an Android app, you can follow my tutorials. Now, in these tutorials, I will be using Android Studio. Personally, I use Eclipse because I like it better. I think it runs faster, smoother. But since Android Studio is the official IDE for Android by Google, and Google owns Android, the Android operating system, I will be using Android Studio. So once you have Android Studio open and running, you can follow along. Now to get started with creating your first app, you want to open Android Studio and create a new project. We'll call it My App. Here for the domain, you want to have a domain name for your company. So when you publish your app in Google Play, this will be the website name that you always use for all your apps. Encoding div is my name. I've created dozens of Android apps, and this is my name. So let's get started. You can set the minimum target to the lower your minimum target, the more devices you can use it. More devices it can be used on. So you want to have a low minimum target. Okay, but it's saying by targeting API 10 and later, your app will run on approximately 100% of the devices that are active on the Google Play Store. So we'll use 10. Gingerbread. Let's 10, yeah, 10 gingerbread. Okay. Click next. Start off with a blank activity. We can leave the name main activity. The layout name is activity underscore main. Title main activity. Let's click finish. And Android Studio will create our new project. Okay, my app. Okay, it's still executing tasks. Okay. Once you see that you have your main activity up, You have officially created your first app. We can go into the layout. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, here we go. You you want to bring up the project menu so you can see all your files. And go to the resource folder, go down to layout, see the layout. Click on activity main. Click on design. Now it's initializing the design. I'm gonna set the design API to a lower level. Sometimes it has problems rendering the library with the highest level if some things are not up to date. Let's see. Let's try API 18. As you can see, Android Studio is running slow. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's go back to 23. Okay. So we got the layout. Okay, so this is the activity main XML file. So basically, it's the graphical user interface layout. So when you're adding buttons or anything, you want to come here first, add a button. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Okay, so I can add something to the content main.xml for the activity. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Project. Okay. Okay, so to add a button to activity main, we need to first add it in content main, and then it'll show here. But basically, this is how you add buttons and things to your user interface through the graphical user interface. Now, to do the programming part, you will do it in main activity. And as I go through my tutorials, I will demonstrate and explain all these things. So thank you for watching the introduction video for creating your first Android app. Make sure you subscribe. Urban Science.